if you make pupils bigger, it looks crazy. Hello, this is Jamparc, and today I want to introduce my plugin Jamparc and will draw Pengsoo. Firstly, we have some tools on this toolbar. It is called SketchUp, as known as SU. Firstly, you can draw curves that it makes the planar surface automatically. So I'm drawing the outline of Pengsoo. If you don't like it, always you can undo. So I'm drawing very carefully. So if it is a closed and planar line, it will make a surface like this automatically. And also you can draw curves inside of a surface also. So I'm drawing the face of Pengsoo. Well, okay. Then I'm drawing his mouth big. Yeah. So as you see with Rhino, drawing curve is for me is very easy because I can see all of the control points and I can imagine how the next curve will be drawn. So if you draw many times, you will feel that it's very convenient. So I'm drawing the under lip. Okay, fine. So then I change the color of the layer and good. And next, I'll use rectangle on surface. So as simple as you can draw surface on rectangle on a surface and it will automatically split. So yeah, I'm drawing rectangles for Pengsoo's nose holes. Then also I'm changing the layer of the object. Yeah, so now it is black. And the next, yeah, it's important. I'm drawing Pengsoo's eyeball. Yeah, his eyeball is very attractive. So no, it must be symmetric. Yeah, so drawing circle on his surface. Yep, it's fine. And then I'm offset the boundary to make the pupils. So okay. Oh no. If you make pupils bigger, it looks crazy. And if you draw pupils smaller, also it looks crazy. So you need to draw pupils with a very proper size. Yeah, this is Pengsoo. Okay, so also I'm changing the color. Yeah, so we draw the 2D Pengsoo. Now, oh no, don't forget to make this. Things, yeah, okay. Now we finish the 2D drawing of Pengsoo and then we will make 3D Pengsoo. Yeah, it looks like a jigsaw, but yeah, like a mask on his face. But I'm making depths on the surface with the push and pull toolbar icon. So yeah, his pupils will be flat as his eyeball, so it's okay, and he's cute. This how can I say? Yeah, the pink on his face. And then his mouth. Yeah, big. Upper one and a lower one. Yep. So finally, yeah, I finished to make a 3D extrusion for the Pengsoo's surface. No. Maybe I need to also make a depth for his head. No, it's not a head. Yeah. His hair. So I like it. So this is the SU toolbar on my plugin Jamparc. And then now I want to introduce another toolbars on my plugin. So this is layers management tools. So you can control the layers on a Rhino easily. So firstly, I can make new layers with a layer new. So it creates multiple layers to have a series of names. Yeah, so I create layers with the name of Pengsoo in Korean. Yep, and then so I'm changing the layers of Pengsoo. Yep, for each color: red, yellow, green, and a magenta. Okay. Then I want to rename my layers. So layers rename. I select the layers and it will also create multiple layer names into a new series of names. Yeah. So it's now the all of the name of a layer is Pengsoo in English. Then I want to select the layers. So if you select one of the object from each layer, it will select the all object in each layer. Yeah, it's easy. The layers off and layers on. Layers off. If you turn off the layers, just select some object and it will turn off the layers. Yeah. And if you want to turn on the specific layers, then also just select some object. Then, yeah, as you see, it will turn on the layers designated by selecting multiple objects on the layers. Then also by the list box, you can select names of layers and then it will show the layers which you selected on the list box. Yep. Then match layer is very important tool. Command it activates as a AutoCAD style. So firstly, you select one of the object and then change the layer property of selected object to correspond to the layer property of the first selected object. Yep. And finally, this is the merge layer. So select the layers and then it will be merged into the layers which you selected. So now all of the Pengsoo is the magenta Pengsoo. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.